In this video, you'll discover the ultimate skincare routine designed specifically for your 20s to achieve flawless, radiant skin. Here's the blueprint to help you. Stick around until the end of this video. Many young adults struggle with maintaining clear skin due to factors like acne, dryness, and environmental stressors. As we enter our 20s, our skin often becomes more prone to breakouts, blackheads, and hyperpigmentation. These common skin issues can be frustrating and affect our confidence. Moreover, the constant exposure to pollution, UV rays, and other environmental stressors can accelerate the aging process. It's essential to develop a skincare routine that effectively addresses these concerns. Unfortunately, many of us are unsure about where to start or what products to use. Let's break down each step of your skincare routine, including cleansing, exfoliating, moisturizing, and sun protection, while explaining the importance of each product. First, let's talk about cleansing. Using a gentle, effective cleanser is crucial for removing dirt, makeup, and impurities from the skin. This helps prevent clogged pores, reduces the appearance of acne, and allows other products to penetrate deeper into the skin. Exfoliating is another critical step that helps remove dead skin cells, unclog pores, and reveal brighter, smoother skin. A good moisturizer not only hydrates the skin, but also locks in previous steps, providing an extra layer of protection. Finally, sun protection is essential for preventing premature aging, dark spots, and even skin cancer. By incorporating these steps into your daily routine, you'll be on your way to achieving flawless skin. When it comes to cleansing, you'll want to look for a gentle, non-stripping formula that effectively removes dirt and impurities. Exfoliating can be done both physically and chemically, depending on your skin type and concerns. Moisturizing is all about finding the right balance of hydration and protection. For sun protection, always opt for a broad spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30. Using these products correctly and consistently will make a significant difference in the appearance of your skin. Remember, consistency is key, and patience is a virtue when it comes to seeing results. When it comes to achieving flawless skin, it's all about using the right products that address your specific skin concerns. Look for products containing active ingredients like salicylic acid, glycolic acid, and vitamin C, which can help combat acne, hyperpigmentation, and fine lines. These ingredients work wonders in unclogging pores, brightening your complexion, and promoting collagen production. By incorporating these products into your routine, you'll be amazed at the transformation your skin will undergo. To achieve the best results, it's essential to understand how to layer your products correctly. Start with a gentle cleanser, followed by an exfoliant or toner, and then apply your serum or treatment product. Finally, seal everything in with a moisturizer and sunscreen. Don't forget to adjust your routine according to your skin type and concerns, and be patient with your skin as it adjusts to new products. Follow these ultimate skincare routines, and you'll be on your way to achieving the flawless, radiant skin you've always wanted. Don't forget to like this video, share your skincare tips in the comments, subscribe, and please check out other great helpful videos on the channel.